Hey guys, welcome to the beach house. Today I've got a really special treat. As you know, we homeschool our kids and we've put up tons of videos of our awesome homeschool adventures, traveling, learning about history and geography, and doing science experiments. We do math and reading with the kids. Well, today we've got a special treat. I'm gonna do coding and robotics lessons with the kids. Today's video is sponsored by Thames and Cosmos. I'm gonna be showing the kids this cute little peanut butter and jelly sandwich that is gonna be going around and completing tasks and teaching the kids about coding and how it works integrated with robotics. So I really hope that you guys really enjoy today's video. I know the kids are gonna love this, so let's go get their reaction. All right guys, everybody come and sit down. I've got 4 chairs, one for each of you guys. Okay, Charlie, come sit right here, Charlie. Right here, bub. Okay. Are you guys ready to see some cool robotic project?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that cool? Ta-da! Is that cool?
Yeah!
So the first lesson in robotics involves somewhat of an object lesson using peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. I'm gonna have the kids give me instructions on how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and I'm gonna follow it exactly and literally, because that's exactly how coding works. So this might be really fun and I'm excited to see what happens. Ready? Okay, Corbin, you are going to teach me how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So I need you to tell me instructions every step of making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Ready?
I'll tell you what to get. So get a peanut butter.
Get peanut butter, okay.
And jelly.
And jelly.
Mom,
Alright guys, Corbin is done dictating to me the step-by-step instructions on how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So, step 1, get the bread out. There we go. Open the peanut butter. Okay. Put the knife in the peanut butter.
Not like that.
I didn't say. Scoop it out. Wipe it on the bread. Okay.
Dad.
We're following your instructions. Okay. There we go. It's good. Wipe it on the bread. Close peanut butter. Okay, I think that's looking good so far. Open the jelly. Put the knife and stab it in. Take it out and wipe it on the bread.
Dad, no, it means stab it
Close
in the jelly.
jelly. You didn't say that. Put knife in sink.
No!
Put bread together. Alright, well, there's your peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Did I do it right?
No.
Okay, I think we need a round 2. Should we try round 2? Okay, let's try it again. All right, now it's James's turn. He just got done dictating to me how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich from start to finish. We're gonna follow his instructions exactly. Let's see how it works out. You ready? Okay. So, step 1, get bread out on plate. Okay? Get bread out on plate. Then get jelly and put it on one of the bread. Okay, here's one of the bread, and I'm gonna put jelly on the bread. Then get peanut butter and do the same thing. Also on one bread, putting the peanut butter. You guys see that? Put knife in the sink, put bread away, and peanut butter and jelly. So he's good at cleaning up, but does that sandwich look very good? Let's try round 2, shall we? All right, we're back to round 2 with James, and I'm gonna follow his instructions exactly. Now, James, do you understand why we're doing this?
Because we have coating on our table and I'm showing you how to make a sandwich.
Exactly, so this relates to coding. So I'm a robot. James just wrote down the code right here, and I'm going to follow the code, the program, and build a sandwich based on what he tells me to do. Robots and programs follow exactly what they're told. So I'm going to follow exactly what I'm told. Ready? Okay, this time, see if he gets better. Maybe this will be a little bit better. Take 2 pieces of bread and put on plate. Okay, I can do that. Take 2 pieces of bread and put on the plate. Okay, so we've got 2 breads on the plate here. Take jelly and take the knife, then scoop up the jelly. Take jelly and take the knife and scoop up the jelly. So I've got the jelly scooped up on the knife. Okay, then take the peanut butter and do the same thing. Scoop up on the knife. Got it. Then take your 2 pieces of bread and slap them together. That's it. You've got a sandwich. Does that look good, James? Let's try this coding thing again, shall we? Okay, round 3. You think you got it this time? Okay, here's James's program that he wrote using the code of English language. I'm the robot. Let me see if I can build the sandwich, shall we? Okay, get 2 pieces of bread. Okay, get 2 pieces of bread. Put one on one side of the plate. Okay, one on one side of the plate. Put the other on the other side of the plate. Got it. Take off the jelly lid. Okay, taking off the jelly lid. Got it. Take off the peanut butter lid. Okay. Take knife and scoop up inside the jelly jar. Okay. Take knife and scoop up inside the peanut butter jar. Okay. Take jelly and spread on one piece of bread. Okay. Spread on one piece of bread. Okay. Then do the same thing on the other side of the bread. Okay, got the other side. Got it. Take 2 pieces of bread with jelly and peanut butter and put them together. 2 pieces of bread, jelly and peanut butter, put them together. There's your sandwich. I followed your instructions perfectly, right?
No.
I didn't did I follow your instructions?
No.
No, I didn't? I followed it exactly as you told me. You
were supposed to take these 2 and put them like this, then take the peanut butter and rub them with the knife.
But you didn't tell me to do that. I did exactly what you said. So if I did it wrong, that means you wrote bad code. Should we try this again?
Yes!
Alright.
So James, how are you feeling right about now?
Good.
Yeah?
Okay, we just got done writing a lot of code here. The program is supposedly complete. Should we see if the robot can execute the way you want? Okay. You think I'm gonna do it this time? Okay, he's confident. Let's see if this works. Okay. Take 2 pieces of bread. Put one on one side of the top of the plate. Put the other piece of bread also on the top of the plate next to the first piece. All right, so far so good. Take off the jelly lid. Okay, take off the jelly lid. Oops. Take the knife and scoop up the jelly using the knife. Oh, scoop up the jelly. Got it. Scoop up the jelly. Using the knife, rub the jelly on one side of the piece of bread. Okay.
Woohoo!
Got some on that bread. Take the lid off the peanut butter. Got it? Take knife and scoop up peanut butter. Scoop up peanut butter. Take the other piece of bread and take the knife with peanut butter on it and rub it on the piece of bread. So far, so good.
Got one thing wrong.
Take the two pieces of bread that has the peanut butter and jelly on it and put them together. Done!
One thing wrong. You used the wrong side of the knife.
You didn't specify which side to use, so I just used whatever side popped into my hand first.
But it worked.
You got it. Peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Good job, James. Should we see if Corbin can do it?
Yeah.
Alright, okay, I got Corbin here for round 2. We just wrote down some cool program. This is the code on the robot.
I think it'll be right.
You feel confident? Okay, let's try it out. I'm gonna do it exactly as he has it written here. Get bread and put it on the plate.
Not that way. Like,
You didn't say.
take out.
You didn't say take it out.
Take it out.
Okay, I'll give you this freebie. This is the only freebie you get though, alright? Alright, I'll put the bread on the plate. Maybe you can redeem yourself with good instructions for the rest of the video. I'm the robot here, not you. Open the jelly. Okay, get the knife. I've got a knife here. And put it in the peanut butter on the right side. So we're gonna put it in the right side of the peanut butter. Okay, is that right? Scoop up the peanut butter, wipe it on the bread. Wipe it on the bread, all right.
One of the sides.
All right, wipe it on the bread. Just what you said to do, I did it. Okay, so you got peanut butter on the bread. There we go. Wipe it on the bread. Close peanut butter. Open jelly. Oh, look at that. I've already got the jelly open, but you asked me to do it again. Get the knife and put it in the jelly. Scoop it out. Then wipe it on the bread.
Thank you for doing that.
Not too bad. And then it says, put it together.
Not that way.
No? You didn't say which way to put it together.
Put it like.
you gotta debug your code if you want me to do it that way. Well, that's pretty good. You got it pretty good. Other than I used the handle of the knife. What do you think? Is that good enough to eat? Good. Good. Take a bite. You did a good job. So now let's use what we learned with this object lesson and do some actual coding with the coding and robotics kit. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Hey guys, so guess what? James was up very late last night. He could not stop working on building these really cool robots and machines. And he built this awesome mouse. I want to show it to you guys. So he followed the instructions in the book to make this mouse. What's cool about the book is it tells you exactly step by step how to make things. And James loves making things.
And guess what? I'm trying to make that, and guess what? This I'm hooking up right now, but when I try to turn it, it doesn't really work and it just pops out. So I'll need your help, Dad.
We're gonna fix that one because he's trying to build this cool crane. But first, right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a fun little obstacle course that the mouse has to follow on the track to be able to gather all the cheese. And And so the boys have made a couple of cheese chunks. Now Corbin is going to create a code and a program for the mouse to follow.
I made a square cheese and James made a circle cheese.
Okay, do you think you can make some code for the mouse to follow to be able to get both chunks of cheese? Okay, let's do it. Show me how to do it, Bubba. So here's all the pieces of code. What's really cool about these guys is if you actually get really, really, really close and you look microscopically, there's actually bits of information on this piece, on this little piece. So the mouse, underneath it has a sensor, and so as it follows the path, it actually reads the cards, and that's how it gets its program put together. So Corbin's creating the program right now, which is telling the mouse, this is where you start, and you're gonna go forward 2 spaces. And so the mouse is gonna start right here. So Corbin's telling it to go forward 2 spaces. But we need to get all the way to the cheese. So how many forward spaces should it go? How many? 4. James is right, it needs to go 4 spaces. Because if you're only going 3, it's gonna start here and it's gonna go 1, 2, 3. But it's not gonna make it all the way to the cheese. Did you find a 4? Okay, so you just told it to go 1, 2, 3 plus 4. So that's 7. Take out those 2. Yep. And
I'm making the program.
yeah, let's let Corbin make the program because he knows how to do it right. Corbin and I worked on the programming yesterday. There we go. So forward 4 spaces. Okay, that'll take us to the first cheese, right? Okay, let's finish this code. What do you guys think? Could you guys build a code to be able to follow the path to get to both cheeses? I think this is gonna be fun. Let's see if the boys can figure it out. Okay, then you put the red piece on at the end. Are you guys ready to see if this code will work?
Yeah.
You guys worked hard on it. So what do you do now? Get the mouse, and what do we do with the mouse? So set it on the first piece, and hit record. Okay, now you gotta make sure it's on the right spot.
It's reading the cards right now. Okay.
Okay, now what?
Well, I set it right there. And then press record again.
Just hit play, yep. So what's it gonna do first?
It's gonna make it so it knows which direction it's going.
Here we go. So far, so good. Got the first piece of cheese. Now it's turning around.
Ooh, that was close one. It almost got off.
It got it! Good job, you guys. That was awesome.
2 cheeses.
Very cool.
The square one and the circle one.
So what do you guys think of that awesome coding robotics program?
Good.
Do you like it? What do you think, Corbin?
Good. I made one of these cheeses. This I made. This James made. So this is for him to have.
Cool. Well guys, if you guys want to get this, you can check out the link in the description below. Honestly, we just had a lot of fun with it, and I'm excited to let the boys just kind of create whatever awesome projects they want. You can build anything onto the top of this robot, and you can program all sorts of fun things with it. And I think it's great in our day and age to do some type of learning of coding and understanding programming and robotics, because you never know when these guys might need to know that in their life, right?
Yeah, like when we want to create a robot.
Right. When I was a kid, that wasn't even a thing, so I'm excited that these guys get a chance to learn it.
My cheese.
And I get to learn it with them.
Right? Ryan knows how to make lots of robots.
Cool. Well, thanks you guys for watching. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Pause the game.
Bye.
When we